Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is probably going to end up being its own video. I just got done doing a little rock hunting for Flint and steel, maybe. And I thought I'd do a bag dump. I mean, everything in here you're going to have seen before, but I had another comment from one of my viewers. Said, I was wondering what you had in your bag. So I was like, well, let's do a dump, as I almost fall over on nothing. Okay, so this is my Hidden Woodsman haversack. I brought this, I didn't carry it out to the river, although I wish I had, because I could have just slung this over my shoulder, taken it out, and thrown rocks into it. This is for Fired Up Fridays. I brought it because I'm going to do a Fired Up Friday today. So I had the Hidden Woodsman Mike Charlie pack. And right in front here is I had spare camera batteries, which I just replaced this one, so my Nikon camera. So brought this, and I also brought spare batteries for the Nikon here. And I also brought the small SIMO, S-I-M-O, or SIMA, S-I-M-A tripod. This is the one I actually took on the hike that we did actually on the other side of the river here. This is the same trailhead. I actually didn't bring this down the river, but I had it in the truck. The water bottle, I had my Nalgene full of water, clean water from home, which I need to drink, I'm thirsty. I've got my butane stove adapter. I brought cedar bark tinder for Fired Up Friday if I needed it. The rocks I just collected, there'll be another video. Brought some toilet paper because you never know. A pair of Hardy Work gloves, which I never even use, but it's always good to have gloves. My canteen and lid. Off, kind of mandatory. Bugs are annoying. Little Uncle Steve's shake. It's for the seasonings. I'm going to be doing a canteen cup cooking today, so it's going to be beanie weenies and smoked sausages. So stay tuned for that. Can of butane. These are just a few paper towels thrown into a zip top bag. It practically weighs very little, so I figured it's always nice to be able to wipe your mouth. Stove, Primus. Trauma kit, in case you get hurt. Like I said, all this stuff I've shown before, more black, just because. It's one of the high blades I like to take when I walk because it's lightweight, and yet I can depend on it. My Hidden Woodsman Possibles pouch. It's got a headlamp in here, some hot coffee, chocolate, drink mixes, all kinds of random stuff. I think I've gone over this before. And then just a tinder bag, which I forgot what was in here, so I grabbed it so I could remind myself. I think I've got some cattail in here. I got a little fat wood in here. Yeah, I got cattail fluff all at the bottom. Of course, now it's all over everything, but it's alright. Back here, I've got a Sawyer Mini. Sawyer Mini, in case I needed water. Although I still could have boiled with the canteen, but I don't enjoy the taste of boiled water. It just doesn't taste very good. So I'd rather filter. Then I've got the two bags. What else is in here? Oh, I got a Ranger band in here as well. Just floating around the bottom. And then there's a little carabiner attached to this. I don't have any cordage, I don't have any shelter, I don't have anything to sleep in or on. Because I was only going down the river. There's a really high populated area, so now I can finally get in the front here. I've got a Nature Valley bar, in case I get hungry. Bandana. And then I got my Uco Spork, super lightweight. And that's it. all the stuff you've seen before. Just thought I would do a quick